My name is Teresa, and in this video I will talk about my lamp I made, and I will try to answer to your questions about this lamp. Why does it hold the shape without any support? So it is two things. First, the material itself, you can shape it with your hands like this. Second one is by strings. I was given two types of rattan. Stays in the shape a little bit, but this one is much better. I was told that you have other rattan that has wire in there. This one doesn't have wire, so that would be, I think it would be perfect to have the rattan with wire. I cut out a square and then I turn the cord them or fold them, and then I finish it with, tied it with a thread and hid it under that curl, and then I tied it together with the opposite corner. In real there would be a metal plate with a hole in for a light bulb, and at the edges there would be holes or anything that could where you could tie the string. You have the braid that you finish the chairs with. You staple it. And maybe this could be used as well. Well, if you wouldn't like just a simple curl. I think it works quite well. I think you cannot really see that. Next question was about sizes. So I think that square 40 by 40 centimeters would be the smallest one. Otherwise it gets quite fiddly. So I think this one could be the smallest one. When you get like a meter of that of the loom, then it can be quite baggy. It can hang down, so it depends. If you have the material with wire, then it's when you ask about colors. So I think I prefer the natural. However, some people would prefer white or dark brown would be good. Pink as well, or light blue. If you want me to develop it more or have more questions, please don't hesitate to email me.